Hello friends, good morning, welcome back to Shaheen's kitchen. Today here's a recipe which is long awaited and many of my friends wanted to learn. This is chicken korma. So come and learn how to prepare chicken korma. So to make chicken korma, we are taking 250 to 300 grams of chicken. We will going to marinate it for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Then we will going to prepare it. This is 1 cup of curd. We are putting more than half of the curd in marination. This is orange red color. It is optional. It gives a good color to the gravy. If you want to put, otherwise you can omit. Now this is salt. We are putting half of the salt in marination and rest we will put in our gravy. And this is ginger garlic paste. We are putting ginger garlic paste, about 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now this is our marination is ready. Rest of the things we will prepare a paste of onion and these cashew nuts, poppy seeds. Poppy seeds is khaskhas. It is optional if you want to put. If you have it, otherwise don't put. And this is desiccated coconut. We will going to make a paste of it after soaking it for some time. And rest of the things we will put in our gravy. So chicken goes for marination in fridge for 2 hours. We have put 2 spoons of oil. In this we will going to fry our marinated chicken, and before frying we have to put these whole masalas. It consists of bay leaf or tej patta, stick of cinnamon, dalchini. This is badi ilaichi or toda ilaichi, few cloves, 4 to 5. 2 green cardamoms, black pepper, and I'm going to crush and this is a little bit of mace. We have crushed it. We can also grind it with cashew paste. And now this is marinated chicken. We have to fry it. Slow down the flame. First put the pieces, then the curd. And now we have to put this curd, and now on high flame we have to fry it till the water is absorbed. Here it is getting cooked. Till then we are preparing our gravy in another pan. We have put 2 spoons of oil. These are large spoons. Many of my friends complains about the oil, but if they know Indian cooking, you can easily understand that all these ingredients require little more oil to prepare. You can reduce the oil, but there are chances of getting burned. The masala can get burned. And this is ground onion, 2 medium-sized onion, fine paste. And now we have to fry these onions till they become golden or pink. See, after 3-4 minutes, our onion has gained that color which is required, and here it is fried. It is almost dry. Just a minute or two it will take. Slow down the flame. And now here we are putting turmeric powder or haldi, half a teaspoon. 1, 2 and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Slow down. This is red chilli powder. This is personal choice. If you like more spicy, add accordingly. 1, 3. Half of the salt we used in marination, and this is rest of the salt. Again, add salt according to your taste or requirement. We can always add salt even after preparing the dish, so don't worry about it. Add a little bit of water. And more than half cup we used in marination. This is rest of the curd. This is sour curd or khatta dahi. And this is about 2 teaspoons of whole ground garam masala, which we prepare at home. If you don't have this masala, you can also use chicken masala, which we get ready made in the market. And just cook it for a minute or two. Then we will going to add this chicken into this gravy. Now we are adding chicken pieces. Put off the flame of this container. Mix all these things well. And now in the end we are putting, this is a paste of cashew nuts, poppy seeds and coriander and coconut powder. And now add water according to your requirement. If you like a thick gravy, add little water, and if you like a little watery gravy, adjust water, and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on slow flame or till the chicken is cooked properly. Test it. And now add water little by little. Never put a lot of water at a single time. This is the right consistency. If you like a little watery, then add half a glass of water more and cook it till the chicken is done. So I am putting it on slow flame for 10 to 15 minutes. See, after 20 minutes you can test whether chicken is done or not. Yes, it is soft, and this is the right consistency. You can see oil on sides. You can separate it. For this gravy you require little more oil. So now put off the flame.